Now that we've connected to our processor using the Easy Config tool in Toolbox, we can now send a program to it. Before we do so, let's look at what a program actually is. A program is a list of instructions that tells a computer or processor what to do. Crestron programs use an input-process-output model. This list tells the processor what to do with any change of an input, such as a touchscreen button press or incoming command from a device. The program must be written in the correct language using programming software. There are a few software applications to write Crestron programs, the most common of which is SIMPL Windows. The SIMPL Windows program is human-friendly source code. This code must be compiled into machine code before it can be sent to the device. Let's take a look at how this is done. Shown here is the SIMPL Windows software. This software is not covered in this class, but it's covered in more detail in the CTI P101 in-class course. When ready, the programmer will need to compile the program. They do this by clicking the button as shown. This will translate the program from SIMPL Windows source code to binary machine code that the processor is more comfortable with. When the program is being compiled, it creates the message to transfer the file. The file being created will be given to upload to our processor. Let's have a quick look at the different file types. When using the SIMPL Windows programming software, the editable source code will have the extension SMW. This file can be used to edit and make changes. However, it may not necessarily contain everything required. For this reason, the programmer has the option to package up everything in a zip file. The zip file is the preferred method of transferring a program from one person to another. Once the program has been compiled, we have an LPZ file. This file should be sent to our processor. Please note, the LPZ file cannot be edited. The 3 series processor is capable of running up to 10 programs simultaneously. This is handy because our programmer can split a large program into multiple sections, or a large system can be worked on by many people at the same time. This allows a single processor to independently control multiple rooms. When we load code to our processor, we must ensure we load it to the correct program file. This information will be given to you by the programmer if necessary. Let's see how to upload this LPZ file to our processor using the Easy Config window. When connected to our processor as shown, select the Program button. Click Program to initiate the program transfer. At the top, select one of the 10 programs. In this processor, we will select Program 1. Then, browse for the correct file. Once selected, click Send to transfer the program to the processor. This shouldn't take too long. Once the program has been sent, the processor will restart. Next, close the window and test the program to ensure everything is working as expected.